Hello, welcome back. We have discussed some basic ways to pass parameters to in a function in previous videos. We will discuss another way to pass parameters to a function, which is a function can be called with an arbitrary number of arguments. Now let's jump into the code and see how it's works. First, let me open my notebook. You can see I'll go to document and create another notebook over here. Let me call it 13 and advanced parameters. Now here I'm going to use a markdown style. I'm going to say arbitrary argument list. Now let's try to define a function and see how it works. Here I'm going to say students. Let's say here is just use a star to say arbitrary arguments, and we will say args, and then we can pass other arguments as well. Here I'm going to just say a message, say students names are, and a colon. We can print the arguments over here. This argument will be wrapped up in a tuple, and we can see how it works. Let's run it, and now we have the function students, and let's call it. And we can pass parameters as many as we want. Here I'm going to pass Peter, Alex, Tom. Now let's run it. As you can see, the parameters in args are wrapped up in a tuple. We can convert the tuple into a string. Let me show you how we can do that. We can redefine this function, just change a little bit. And I'm going to copy it, convert the tuple or string with a column as a separator. So we're going to say the separator over here, and then join the args. Now we can print the names. Maybe we can concatenate the message over here. Let's say plus. Now we have already redefined this function, and let's call it again. I'm going to just copy it and call it again. Oh, these should be R. Redefine it, we call it again. We got properly formatted output. We have the names and messages. Okay, that's enough for arbitrary argument list. See you next video. Bye bye.